In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in bold on WhatsApp Web. If you use WhatsApp Web for work, study, or everyday chatting, making certain words stand out can be really useful. Bold text helps highlight important information, draw attention to a key point, or simply make your message easier to read. The good news is that this is very simple to do, and once you learn it, you'll probably use it all the time. To get started, open WhatsApp Web and go to the chat where you want to send your message. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat, depending on who you want to message. Just click on the chat to open it and make sure your cursor is active in the message box at the bottom. Next, type the message you want to send. At this stage, you can write the full sentence first or just the specific word or phrase that you want to make bold. Either approach works, so use whichever feels easier for you. Once your text is in the message box, the key step is to place an asterisk at the beginning and another asterisk at the end of the text you want to format in bold. In other words, the text needs to be surrounded by asterisks. For example, if you type a phrase like this, with an asterisk before the first word and another after the last word, WhatsApp Web will recognize that formatting and display the text in bold when the message is sent. This is especially helpful if you want to emphasize a deadline, a name, a short instruction, or an important update in a longer message. Just remember that the asterisks need to be directly attached to the text you want to bold. If the formatting doesn't appear correctly, double check that you placed one asterisk on each side of the text and that there aren't any unnecessary spaces interrupting the format. After that, your message is ready to send. When it appears in the chat, the selected text will show in bold, making it stand out clearly from the rest of the message. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, formatting bold text on WhatsApp Web is quick, easy, and very practical. Once you get used to adding asterisks around text, you'll be able to make your messages more organized and easier for others to notice and understand.